Have you ever stood at an ATM in a foreign country, nervously calculating exchange rates, or sweating over hidden fees when making a payment abroad? What if I told you there's a way to largely banish those travel money woes? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate face-off for your travel wallet, Monzo versus Revolut. These two digital banking giants have revolutionized how we manage our money, especially when we're globetrotting. But which one truly reigns supreme for international travel in 2025? For years, travelers have grappled with exorbitant foreign transaction fees, unfavorable exchange rates, and the constant fear of their traditional bank cards being declined overseas. Monzo and Revolut burst onto the scene promising to fix all of that, offering innovative app-based accounts designed for a globalized world. They've both garnered massive followings, with millions of users worldwide swearing by their convenience and cost-effectiveness. But the landscape of digital banking is constantly evolving, with new features, revised fee structures, and expanded services. So, for your upcoming adventures, which one should you slide into your pocket? We're not just scratching the surface here. We're going to dissect every critical aspect for international travel, from exchange rates and ATM withdrawal limits to travel insurance, budgeting tools, and even customer support. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of whether Monzo or Revolut is your perfect travel companion for 2025 and beyond. Let's kick things off with arguably the most crucial element for any international traveler, exchange rates. Both Monzo and Revolut are renowned for offering competitive exchange rates, often very close to the interbank rate, the real exchange rate banks use amongst themselves. This is a massive win compared to traditional banks that typically add a significant markup. Monzo, for its part, generally uses the MasterCard exchange rate for all card spending abroad. This is usually very close to the mid-market rate, meaning you're getting a pretty good deal without any sneaky additional fees on your card payments. When it comes to international money transfers out of your Monzo account, they partner with Wise, formerly TransferWise. This is a smart move, as Wise is an industry leader for international transfers, known for its transparent fees and excellent exchange rates, often the mid-market rate itself. So, if you're sending money to someone overseas, Monzo's Wise integration has you covered with competitive rates and clear fees. Revolut, on the other hand, boasts its own proprietary exchange rate. During weekdays, when the markets are open, Revolut aims to match the interbank rate for currency exchange. This means you often get a fantastic rate. However, here's a crucial point to remember for Revolut: they apply a small markup on exchange rates during weekends and on public holidays, typically around 1%. This is because the currency markets are closed, and they need to protect themselves against potential fluctuations. So, if you're planning to do a lot of currency exchange or big transactions over a weekend, keep this in mind. For premium and metal plan users, this weekend markup might be reduced or waived, but for standard users, it's a definite consideration. Revolut also allows you to hold and exchange money in over 30 currencies directly within the app, which can be incredibly convenient for preloading currencies before your trip. Verdict on exchange rates: it's a tight race. Monzo's consistent use of the MasterCard rate for spending and Wise for transfers is incredibly reliable. Revolut's weekday interbank rate is excellent, but the weekend markup for standard users is a notable drawback. If you're a frequent traveler making spontaneous purchases, Monzo offers a slightly more predictable fee-free experience on spending. If you're a meticulous planner and can exchange during weekdays, Revolut could slightly edge it out. Next up, let's talk about ATM withdrawals. Because let's be honest, cash is still king in many parts of the world. Both Monzo and Revolut offer fee-free ATM withdrawals up to a certain limit, but these limits and fees vary significantly depending on your account tier and location. For Monzo users, if Monzo is your main bank account, you enjoy unlimited fee-free ATM withdrawals within the European Economic Area, EEA. This is fantastic for European adventures. Outside the EEA, however, the fee-free limit is £200 in a rolling 30-day period. After that, a 3% fee applies. So, if you're heading to, say, Southeast Asia or South America, and plan on relying heavily on cash, you'll need to be mindful of that £200 limit. Revolut's ATM withdrawal limits are a bit more complex and vary by plan. For standard users, you get free ATM withdrawals up to £200 or equivalent per rolling month, or 5 ATM withdrawals, whichever comes first. Exceeding this incurs a 2% fee, with a minimum fee of £1 per withdrawal. Premium and Metal plans offer higher fee-free limits, up to £400 and £800 respectively per rolling month. So, for higher spenders who need more cash, Revolut's paid plans become more appealing. Verdict on ATM withdrawals: if you're sticking to the EEA and Monzo as your primary bank, Monzo offers a superior experience with unlimited fee-free withdrawals. For travel outside the EEA, or if you anticipate needing to withdraw larger amounts of cash, Revolut's paid plans offer higher limits, potentially making them more cost-effective if you factor in the monthly fee. For standard users going outside the EEA, both have limitations, but Revolut's 2% fee after the limit might be slightly less impactful for smaller overages compared to Monzo's 3%. Now, let's move beyond just transactions and look at the broader travel insurance offerings. This is where the premium tiers of both banks really start to shine. Monzo offers worldwide travel insurance as part of its paid plans, specifically Monzo Premium and Monzo Max. These plans are designed for UK residents aged between 18 and 70. The travel insurance is provided by Zurich, powered by Cover, and typically includes emergency medical assistance, dental treatment, and often covers things like lost baggage and delayed flights. It's a comprehensive package that can save you the hassle and cost of buying separate travel insurance. Monzo Max also includes worldwide phone insurance and UK and Europe breakdown cover, which are excellent added perks. Revolut also provides travel insurance with its higher tier plans, Metal and Ultra. This insurance generally covers emergency medical and dental treatment, lost or delayed baggage, disrupted flights, and even car hire excess protection. Ultra plan users get even more comprehensive coverage, including cancellation cover and higher limits. A key point for Revolut is that trips often need to be paid for with your Revolut card to be covered by their insurance, and there might be limitations on trip duration, e.g., 30 days for Metal, 90 days for Ultra. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.